Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It's a quick catch up. It is today. We are on Sunday. Get the date on my phone here. 2 seconds. Sunday, 16th of April. As you can see, the privet's still nice and neat from the late pruning you got last year. It's looking really nice. Come down here. I weeded all this last week, so that's looking a lot better. So there's some weeding around here though. As we come down, fuchsia here on the right. I don't know if you can see any new growth from this yet, but there should be some soon, hopefully, fingers crossed. Then we come down here, all the way down there on the right hand side. I'm going to put some fabric down there, some black horticultural fabric, and I think I'm going to put some wood chips on top, because I'm sick of having to weed it all the time. Driving me absolutely nuts. Shut the gate behind me. You come down here, this is a bit I weeded last week. See here, hollyhocks. These need spraying. This has got rust on it. I don't know if you can just see that there. Turn it over. It really does like rust on the underside there. Then we have perennial geraniums there. Next, some Japanese anemones. Some lilies here that have been attacked by lily beetles, so I'll give those a spray. We come down here. Somebody was asking about when hostas start coming through. Well, this is what you need to look for. The new shoots. As soon as it warms up, you get them just coming through a little bit like so. And then we have some primulas there, beautiful pink primulas that smell divine. Some yellow ones down here. These are some daylilies that I really do enjoy. They really do look amazing. Some more giant lilies here next to some lupins. They'll do really well this year. We come down here, we have nice foxglove here. And another daylily. This is that's a lovely orange golden colour. You see it there. All the slugs and snails in there, so that is a good treat. Some more hollyhocks here. Damage there. A lot of slug and snail damage there. Been massacred those. I've probably caterpillars actually with the primulas. Come round here we have the foxglove that I transplanted last year. Another lily there. And these are some beautiful carnations. Some pinks. I think I purchased those from Harry Flower Show a couple of years ago. And we come a bit further down. We have beautiful scented primulas. Look at all the caterpillar damage here. If you go in here, you're right deep down inside the bottom leaves. It's amazing what you can pull out caterpillar wise. Look on there. Just show you there what this does all the damage. That little monster. All I do with these is just chuck them next to the bird seed. The birds can have those. So that's how you get rid of them organically. Just need to get to your bottom leaves, and you will find them all curled up normally. There'll be quite a few on one plant. So yeah, that's how to get rid of your caterpillars and snails on your primulas. Another perennial, I dig this up here, little thistle, geranium there. We come round here, we have my peonies here, which I love. And these daffodils are scented and they look absolutely fine. At the backdrop there's some Japanese anemones that one of my neighbours gave me a few years ago. I've got a load of aqualegias coming through, which I absolutely love. Down here, beautiful purple forget-me-not. That looks absolutely amazing. This is a delphinium that I grew several years ago. It's a really dwarf variety, but some beautiful flowers. Absolutely love it. And we come a bit further down. We have this self-seeded ivy here on the tree. And what I'll do with this is just keep it down to about this level. All you have to do with this is just keep pulling it back. Pull it back and I just break it off. So I don't want it going into the top of the tree. That's what I'll do with this. Pull it like so. That keeps it to a decent... It keeps the bottom part nice and green, which I love because it blends it into the garden. And it also gives it I've got a nice climber here. Also gives it plenty of room for my climber to get my clematis. We'll tie that in and that will grow brilliantly up there. Here's one of my earliest flowering peonies. Beautiful purple colour this. This has been in here for years. Fetched this with us. Moved in. But that flowers absolutely amazingly. The daylily down here. Nice healthy plant there. Aqualegia there. Lovely forget-me-nots coming through. Absolutely love them. This is an oriental poppy that I grew myself from seed. I call it Diane Joyce. Absolutely amazing colours. Absolutely love that. Another big and nice and healthy hollyhock there. And some aqualegias back there. Some nice sized aqualegias there. These forget-me-nots are absolutely amazing. We love them. And we have some nice, these are nice orange flowers here. Nice bleeding heart, dicentra. Next some beautiful golden tulips there. We come round here, we have, this is a white delphinium that I grew from seed a few years ago. Next to this peony, which flowers amazingly. A bit further down, we have some hollyhocks, some lupins here. That should flower really well this year. Oh yeah, got flower spikes on this already. Absolutely magical. And another delphinium there. I think that's a white one as well. Next is dicentra bleeding heart. If we have a look down the border there, these Dutch irises, which flowers are amazing. I'm going to dig up in the middle there, and I'm going to reset most of these after they've flowered. This is a delphinium. This is when you've got caterpillar damage. If you can see this here. Look, big snail as well. But they tend to wrap themselves up in the leaves. What I do with this is get the leaves, just squeeze them, give them a pop. Like that one. That's killed one there. And that's how you get rid of your caterpillars and your delphiniums. Well, one there, just give it a squeeze. Just go through your leaves like so. And that's how you stop the caterpillar damage on your delphiniums without using any pesticides. So you just have a look in there. We'll just have a quick whisk around here, folks. Oh, before we get to that, beautiful red penstemon, grew from seed 2 years ago. This doesn't like anything touching it, so what I'm tempted to do with this, just give it a little bit of room. Give it some room round it. And this will come back. This will flower really well this year, that. So yeah, let's look at this delphinium first. I want to show you here. Look, got all this damage here. Little snail there. Look at that there as well. But just give it. Look, see that there? Leave that leaf. See that caterpillar? That's what you're trying to get rid of. Just there. So go through your leaves, like so. Give them a squeeze, and you just pop them. I know it's not very nice, but it stops any damage. If you get on top of it now, you'll stop them eating out your flowering stems, which you don't want, because then you get really crappy show on them then. But yeah, let's just stand back here. Some lovely forget-me-nots again, flowering. Come down here. This is my climbers up each side. It's called clotted cream. This, the scent on it is absolutely amazing. And then if you just have a look back here, I'm so pleased with that hedge. I'm thinking of doing something similar down the side there. Tell me what you think. What shape should I cut into the hedge down here? Whatever I get the most people say I should do, I will do. As long as it's nothing rude or obnoxious. Not a problem. So yeah, peony in pots again. These are just about getting their flower buds on, which is great. Then I have my agapanthus here that I've grown from seed. They should all flower really well this year. Some lily cuttings with little bulblets that I took off. They're looking really well. Here's my silver birch tree that's self-seeded. I'm going to take that and plant it on the back somewhere, because that should look really well. That's just having a quick whiz around my garden. If you've got any questions about anything growing in my garden or greenhouse, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like videos, please subscribe, and as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you, bye.